Yes, gang, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same magazine dedicated to what? To shit that I'm into. That's right, I'm your host P Fire, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back on screen, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. So let's get it, gang. Oh, look at the hammer, God, I can't even see. Put my hat back up. Can you see that it's me? Alright guys, you already see what it is, and if you can't, let me pull this down and let's get into it. Jeez, it's so hard in this cold. Alright guys, you see the colour, you see what it is, you see beautiful grey, looking like a plain old British day. See what I did there? Alright guys, today we have this Stone Island, let me give you a little twirl large, Stone Island jumper from this season, or shall we say last season, and it's in this resplendent grey, and this is a ghost piece. Shall we get into it? Alright, I'm just going to pull it down, all the way down, and there's my waist, there's where it sits, little ribbed hem right there. Let's start at the cuff arches. Beautiful people, you see the cuff arches, tightly ribbed, very, very nice. Little bit of elastication right there, little bit of detailing on there. Equilibrium certain beautiful thing, as you can see, same goes right there. Very, very nice. Guys, this is so soft to the touch. It's not a fleece, but it's 100% cotton, but it feels a bit fleecy, you know, but it's not a fleece. Really, really nice. Guys, nothing else on it, just grey. Of course, now if you look at the left hand side, right hand side, you've got those little pockets, kangaroo pouch actually, and it meets in the middle. Perfect for a day like this when you've got cold hands. So yeah, you can, you know, put your hands together and rub them nefariously for your evil plans. MWAHHAHAH. Yes, very nice. Now guys, let's have a look at the collar. Nice round neck right there, ribbed, beautiful, gorgeous. Now I know what you're thinking, it's a grey jumper. Yes it is, but what makes this special is, voila, is that grey ghost badge right there. You see that badge? Grey in all its greyness, ghost in all its ghostiness. Boo, I'm scared. But yeah, very nice. This is my first grey ghost. As you can see, grey buttons, grey badge. Super, super nice. My first grey ghost. You would have seen a couple of my other ghost pieces, my blue tank shield, also one of my knit jumpers, another jumper. You would have seen those, but this is the first grey. I'm due a black and I'm due a cream now, and we've got the full set. Oh, and a red. But yeah, guys, not much more to say other than this is very heavyweight. This is like a nice heavyweight jumper. I picked this up in the sale from Stone Island directly, and very, very nice, very worth it. It's warm, it's clean, it's obviously ghosty. You've got your little kangaroo pouch. It's actually a really, really nice piece. So yeah, I was glad I picked it up, you know, and yeah, like I said, I didn't pick too much up in the sale, but I did pick up a couple pieces. Guys, not much more to say other than this has been a Stone Island ghost kangaroo pocket jumper or sweater, as you might want to call it, and I've been your host P Fire, aka P is for pouch, haha, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, this has been Once We're Not the Same magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and leave your thoughts down below. Hit me up if you want to have a chat, and yeah, I'll be speaking to you a little bit later. Peace, gang. Love.